Hi, I'm Stu Kocha, and I'd like to welcome you to Frigate's Waterfront Bar and Grill. The frigate bird is legendary to sportsmen, and its presence is an indicator of a bountiful catch, good times, and success. After a long day, sea-weary sportsmen return to their favorite speakeasies to enjoy refreshing beverages, great food, music, laughter while recounting their day's adventure.
Pond5.com.
Many of these speakeasies became legendary in their own right. Frigate's Waterfront Bar and Grill is one of those gathering places. Located on the water in beautiful North Palm Beach, nestled beneath the tropical palms and balmy breezes and island music. You can come by land or by sea and watch your favorite sporting event on one of our 22 flat-screen TVs. Including a massive 80-inch high-definition TV at the Tiki Bar just feet away from the seawall. Enjoy our tropical bistro featuring fresh seafood, steakhouse favorites, and the best drinks and libations anywhere around. Delivered by our friendly and knowledgeable staff. Frigates is proud to present the area's best lineup of live music. Relax sipping your favorite cocktail while enjoying live island sounds at the Tiki Bar.
Yeah, man. Frigates. Having fun. Steamy, baby. Island style. Steamy together. Steamy together.
Or dance the night away with the best bands the area has to offer.
Tell me what you're thinking about. I've been trying to figure you out. Tell me who you're thinking about so we can just get it.
Frigate's Waterfront Bar and Grill makes the perfect place to relax, meet friends, and have a good time. I invite you to come and experience it. I thank you, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Hi, I'm Stu Kocha, and I'd like to welcome you to Frigate's Waterfront Bar and Grill.
Pond5.com.
Frigates Waterfront Bar and Grill makes the perfect place to relax, meet friends, and have a good time. I invite you to come and experience it. Thank you very much, and I look forward to seeing you soon.
cream man, he's a hillbilly fan. Got 78s by Hank Snow. Walks down the street, shuffling his feet to a rhythm that only he knows. And I've seen him in so many places. I saw him the night I was born in a Bourbon Street bar. I received my first scar from an old man so tattered and torn. And the wino and I know the pain of street, singing like the door-to-door salesman knows the pains of bell ringing. Strange situation, wild occupation, living my life like a song. Coffee is strong at the Cafe du Monde. Donuts are too hard to touch. Just like a fool when those sweet goodies cool, I eat till I eat way too much. 'Cause I'm living on things that excite me, be they pastry or lobster or love. I'm just trying to get by, being quiet and shy in a world full of pushing and shove. And the wino and I know the pain of back busting like the farmer knows the pain of his pickup truck rusting. Strange situation, wild occupation, living my life like a song. Sweet senorita, won't you please come with me? Back to the island, honey, back to the sea. Back to the only place that I wanna be. And the wino and I know the joy of the ocean, like the boy knows the joy of his milkshake in motion. Strange situation, wild occupation, living my life like a song. Yes, it's a strange situation, wild occupation, living my life like a song. Now they make new movies in old black and white. The happy endings where nobody fights. So if you find yourself in that nostalgic rage, honey, jump right up and show your age. I wish I had a pencil and mustache, the Boston black egg kind, a two-tone Ricky Ricardo jacket, and an autographed picture of Andy Devine. I remember being buck-toothed and skinny, writing fan letters disguised in each penny. Oh, I wish I had a pencil and mustache, then I could solve some mysteries too. Then it's It took her 3 days on the train, looking for some peace and quiet. Hope to see the sun again. But now she lives down by the ocean. She's taking care to look for sharks. They hang out in the local bar and they feed right after dark. Can't you feel them circling, honey? Can't you feel them swimming around? You got fins to the left, fins to the right, and you're the only bait in town. Oh, 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 oh. You got fins to the left, fins to the right, and you're the only girl in town. She's saving up all of her money, wants to head it south in May. Maybe rolling the sand with a rock and roll man somewhere down Montserrat way. But the money's good in the season, helps to lighten up her load. Boys keep her high as the months go by. She's getting postcards from the road. Can't you feel them closing in, honey? Can't you feel them schooling around? You got fins to the left, fins to the right, and you're the only girl in town. Sailed off to Antigua. It took her